Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to reset location and privacy on your iPhone 16 Pro. So let's get started. You need to go your setting and then tap on the general option. When you tap on the general, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here at the bottom of the screen you can see option of transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see another option just reset. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, it is asked for several settings or resettings. Just tap on reset location and privacy. When you tap on it, it is ask to write to for your passcode and password. When you write your password, it is asked for okay reset setting. Okay, just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see your location and privacy setting has been resetted. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.